motorcycle boots, and a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hot lipsicle that took off like a gun. That fool was the terror of Highway 101.
Well, he never washed his face and he never combed his hair. He had rusty ankles and his eyes a glassy stare. Neath the rust on his arm was a red tattoo, a picture of a heart saying, "Mother, I love you." He had a sugar booger by the name of Mary Lou. He treated her just like he treated all the rest. And everybody pitied her, cause everybody knew he loved that dapper motorcycle best.
He wore black denim trousers and motorcycle boots, and a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hot lipsicle that took off like a gun. That fool was the terror of Highway 101.
Mary Lou, poor girl, she pleaded and she begged him not to leave. She said, "I've got a feeling if you ride tonight I'll grieve." Her eyeballs red and vain, and her every word was lost in the rumble of his engine and the smoke from his exhaust. He took off like a devil, there was fire in his eyes. He said, "I'll go a wagon greasing before the sun can rise." He had a screaming diesel that was California bound, and when they cleared the wreckage, here is what they found.
Was his black denim trousers and motorcycle boots, and a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. But they couldn't find the sickle that took off like a gun, and they never found the terror of